welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do a drugstore makeup tutorial, and I don't own a lot of makeup, a lot of drugstore, so I bought a few things just so I've been freaking wanting to try out. It's gonna be easy. It's not gonna be nothing too crazy, I guess, because it's just gonna be like a basic, like go to an everyday wear, or a go back to school look, or just pretty much an everyday wear. I'm gonna use this freaking mirror. I look sweaty, but I'm not sweaty. I put my moisturizer before I started this, so that's why I look so shiny. So hopefully this is like, I cannot see myself, my reflection, but yeah. So I bought this new, where is it? This new moisturizer, and if you have dry skin, I think you should definitely get it, because it's like super oil. It's not oily, but it's like really, like, it moisturizes your face. It's like really good. So it makes my face like really shiny, but my skin is so dry that it sucked it all in, and now I feel like I'm oily. But I don't know, I feel like it works good so far, and I can not find it. Okay, I got it at Dollar Tree, and it's called Dove, and I know they barely came out with it because it was like little and it was small, but I cannot find it. Okay, the first drugstore product I'm gonna be using are for my dude, I'm like so freaking blind. I cannot see, like, I'm trying to see like my reflection from the camera, so hopefully I'm like recording good. But I'm gonna be using for my eyebrows drugstore. I think it was like $4, and it's the elf. I don't know if y'all can see that. Okay, but I'll just leave it in the description, like what I'm using, in case it doesn't focus. But I'm using the elf pomade and color medium brown. I got it at Ulta. This brush is called Essence. I don't know if y'all heard about it, but there's like a small, I think it's a small brand, because I've never seen it until I was actually looking around. But it's called Essence, and it looks like this. But I was looking at it and I really liked it because the freaking point, like esta cosita, like it's like really thin, and that's what I like using for my eyebrows. Because I tried like so many brushes, but they're like not big, but they're like little, but they're fat, and I don't like it because it makes my eyebrows like, oh, it takes me such a long time to find a good brush. But this one I found it, and it was only $1.99. Yeah, $1.99. So it looks like this. Look at the little point. It's like, whoa. Here, let me. And then it's like super thin, and that's why this is my go-to. But I'm gonna use the pomade. I'm gonna try and do my eyebrows quick, so it won't be too focused on the video. Use this freaking mirror. But I took off the moisturizer, like, off my eyebrows, so it won't just like slide. I freaking love this. I've been obsessed with this pomade because I used to always use the Anastasia one. But the only downfall about it is that I take my time. Like, whoever takes their time with their eyebrows, you're gonna hate it. It dries so quickly that it leaves like little patches and like little crumbs, and I hate it. And I was just like, oh my god, this just dries too fast. And I was waiting to see like what other pomade there was so that it doesn't dry fast, but I wasn't trying to spend a lot of money, especially if it's like for myself, you know. concealer. I'm actually gonna use this LA concealer, and it was so hard trying to get like the right shade, because especially because I like light shades for my under my eyelids, because I feel like it stands out like your eyeshadow more. And it was hard because obviously they don't have testers for these, and I was risking it of me getting, I always get concealers that have a pink undertone, always, and I was like, this better not be a pink undertone, and I think it's too warm for me. But I guess since we're just gonna do like a natural look, shade natural. Well, right here it looks all beachy, like brown, but we're gonna just underline our eyebrow. I'm using like this little flat brush. But yeah, here I'm not gonna talk because I feel like I cannot talk doing this. Okay, you're gonna put the whole concealer in the whole freaking eyelid, especially me because I have freaking dark ass eyelids. Like, you know how people that have dark circles, well, mine are dark eyelids. And excuse my nails, I have not done my nails in like, I feel like in forever, and I did not have time today. I wanted to record this already, and I was just like, I'm just record this. Oh, fuck it. But yeah, I'm gonna put that. I'll just tap it, because we're not gonna do any eyeshadow, since it's gonna be like a back to school natural everyday wear. What will stand out the most whenever you do that is either highlight and eyeliner, and have it. And then yeah, okay, now I'm gonna put on this side. Basically, it looks, I don't know if in camera it looks white, pero ya en persona it looks such a different color. I don't know if you can like freaking look at me. It's so sad. I'm so blind that it's hard to do my makeup because I cannot see at all. And I don't wear contacts, I wear freaking glasses. Okay, I think I put too much. Okay, the primer that I'm using for this one, I'm using Maybelline, the Baby Skin. It's like this, and it's green. And I'm gonna put that all over my face. Oh! I've been trying to freaking use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I got it in shade golden beige. So hopefully, medium, yeah, golden beige. So hopefully it's my shade, hopefully not. If it's not, then like being kind of tan, not too brown. I mean, not too brown. Oh, I think it's too light actually. Pues a ver qué. But it has like a little spatula like this. I'm gonna just put this on my face literally. I swear, a weird freaking smell. Like the scent is like it smells. It smells hard. But I like using a lot of foundation, as you can tell. You want your freaking foundation to be like really good, like flawless. I have to shave my face, and it leaves like your skin. It makes such a big difference. I don't like whenever you have like hair on your face and then you apply foundation. You can literally tell like todos los pelitos están llenos de foundation. So whenever you're in person, you can actually like really tell like a lot. I'm really freaking liking this foundation. Like, looks really good. Okay, we're gonna use the same concealer that we use on my eyelids, the LA Girl, and then I'm gonna just I think it's real long on there because I feel like it's too warm. It doesn't even match my freaking skin tone. I'm gonna just put a little bit. I'm gonna put that under my freaking eyelids. My freaking eye bags. Brush, a fiber brush. It looks like this. Tiene pelos así. But I'm gonna contour whatever with the foundation, a darker foundation. This one's the infallible one, and I'm gonna just put a little bit behind my hand. And I feel like foundation, only foundation, and then you blend it out. It blends out so good. So yeah, that's why. So we're gonna start from right here. Let's see. I think this one's too red now. I don't know what I'm doing, but hopefully these from freaking drugstore. But yeah, you can buy any kind of freaking. It can be the LA Girl concealer as your darker one, but I did not. This also that by my house, it's always out of stock, like literally always. Y no, casi no tiene nada. And then this, and I was just like, okay, well, it's like, I think it's a kabuki brush. It's just like flat like that, and I like wetting that because that's how I like freaking here. Oh, I got it too wet now. Blending my freaking stuff away, my contour. Which I'm using the freaking air sponge loose powder. Yeah, this one. I got it in translucent, but I freaking hated it. But I'm gonna try it out again. I bought it a long time ago, not long time ago, but I bought it a while back, and I did not like it. It leaves freaking tu cara como like literally like the color of the freaking thing. So for the eyes, for my wing eyeliner, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. I had one that it was my freaking favorite. I bought it at the MissA store, and it was so sharp. And I was like, oh my god, this is my new freaking favorite eyeliner. And it does not dry up. Like, it was good. But this is what it looks like. And let me see the pointy. It's sharp. Yeah. See? Hopefully this works. I haven't done a freaking eyeliner in like forever. I hate it, but hopefully for the video I can do it. Pero a ver. Big. Okay, I'm gonna try to like do this like. Big, I just like literally messed up. This is the biggest wing eyeliner ever. And I'm gonna sharpen it because this was horrible. I mean, I like the other one porque este yo creo que es más un poco like, it's sharp, but it's like all in one. Instead of just like todo puros pelitos, if you know what I mean. And the other eyeliner, it was like puros pelitos, and I like that one because I feel like whenever you wing it out, like two pelitos like bring the, I don't know, but I like the other one better so far. But I mean, this one's not too bad. Puta madre. Oh, I never missed my stuff. Okay, we're gonna fix it. Hell no, babe. I cannot do this. This is like literally horrible. Okay, I'm gonna just let it dry so I can just like scrape it off before I end up missing my freaking eyeballs. Imagine if I did freaking eyeshadow. Man, I keep fucking it up. Me puse demasiado. But it's okay, we're gonna blend that. And I like using the angle brush también para esto. And then we're just gonna keep going circles. But I feel like ya un pinche pan tostado. But I like a lot, because why not? Little small nose brush, I guess. And then I'm gonna go like. So I'm using this little flat brush, like this definition brush. I'm gonna use this like little brush, and then you're gonna get your highlighter. The highlighter I'm using, I got it from MissA, so it was $1 too. And I'm gonna get the highlighter. Where's my mirror? You're gonna put it in your freaking brown bone. Si lo quieres más intense, wet your freaking brush, because this is what I like to do. And then if you want it to pop more, then put it right here in the corner, your highlighter. Well, that was too bright. Oh, actually, it's okay. I really like the foundation. I'm definitely gonna use that like for an everyday now. And the wing eyeliner, I don't know, maybe because it was the brush or it was just the freaking my hand. Well, this is the makeup look that I did with the drugstore. This one's eyes. I really like the foundation. I will definitely be using that. It's so fucking hot in here. I feel like, I think it's my ring light. But hopefully you like this video, and I will do more chit chat. I want to do a mukbang. Yes, definitely do a mukbang, because I want to sit down and chit chat with y'all about why I've been gone, why I'm not like so consistent like I want to be, and yeah, I've been going through so much, that's why. But hopefully y'all like this video, and but thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.